Hi everyone, welcome back to Sav's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fancy treat which you can make really easily. Actually, you need few ingredients to make this beautiful Oreo truffles. I'm making this with 2 flavors, but you can go with your favorite flavors. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe for more interesting recipes. The very first thing I'm going to do is crushing the Oreos. You can use a blender or a food processor for this one. It will be fine if you get a little bit of big chunks because it will give you a nice crunchy texture in your Oreo truffles. Now I'm going to mix the cream cheese. Actually, I don't use a beater for this one because if this is over mixed, the truffle will get soggy. Now I'm adding my crushed Oreos, 200 grams of cream cheese, and combine them well. And the next thing I'm going to do is adding the nuts. Definitely you can skip this step if you don't like the nuts. I'm adding 75 grams of crushed walnuts to the chocolate flavored cookies and mix it well. And then I add crushed almond to the red velvet flavored cookies. Here I have used almond flakes because I don't need to peel them off, or else you can go with any other nuts, maybe with hazelnuts or anything. Now the mixtures are done. So I'm going to roll them to little balls, 30 grams each. You can use a little ice cream scoop for this, but I want to look them similar in size. Once they're done, put them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna melt my milk chocolate melts. You can double boil them or put them in the microwave. But please make sure that you don't overheat them. Keep it less than maybe 40 Celsius degrees. Now it's the last step. Take out your chilled Oreo balls and dip it in the melted chocolate. You can use a skewer to dip it in. So remove all the excess chocolates gently. You can use a fork to dip the balls in, but it won't give a nice and neat finish like this. If you feel that the melted chocolate is getting thicker, you can put it in a hot water bath and make it a bit runny. Keep it dry for a few minutes. You can use a Regiform board, cake pops holder, or even you can use a little glass jar to hold them up. Don't keep too long to dry them up because it will be a bit difficult to remove the skewer from the Oreo truffles. So just after they dry, remove it from the skewer and place on a baking paper. Now you can decorate it with using anything you like. Okay, now I'm gonna decorate my Oreo truffles with some melted chocolates and with some sprinkles. It'll give this an elegant look. And finally, I'm using mini muffin liners to serve them. Now it's time to enjoy your nice little fancy Oreo treats. Bye everyone, until I see you in the next video.